Today we are talking about a procedure which is life-changing for many women. It is not all about vanity, but it is about relief, comfort and confidence. Hello, I'm Dr. Smriti Nathani, plastic and cosmetic surgeon. Today let's talk about breast reduction surgeries. Many women feel that their breast is much larger than they should be. Meaning what? Meaning they are not in proportion with their shape, size and frame with the rest of the body. They often have to go for large sizes clothes just to hide their breast because it won't fit and it will be tight on the chest. There is a problem of always the posture. They are feeling neck pain, back pain, bra straps digging so much. They have scars over here. Usually there is a macerated acne problems and everything between the breast because always the sweat stays there, and that's how it leads to a lot of discomfort, and not to mention the emotional embarrassment. Big boob size or big breasts are very often looked. Women, when they are going to public places and all, they get ashamed because everybody cannot take their eyes away from the big breast. What should be done, and is it about only beauty? No. As I have explained, it is about comfort, confidence and relief as well. What is breast reduction surgery and how somebody can go about it, and can everybody do breast reduction surgery? Just by doing the breast reduction surgery, how much of comfort you can get, and most importantly, if unmarried women thinks about it, will it interfere with the breastfeeding? Let's talk about it one by one. Breast reduction surgery is a very rewarding surgery. It is done to make your breast size in coherence with your body. How much of breast size do we reduce? There is no one size fit all and there is no cookie cutter policy. When a woman comes to me with having all these problems, so it starts with the clinical examination and understanding their problems one-on-one. The clinical examination, we see that how much is the shoulder width of the woman, how much is the bone profile, the chest width and their desires. Based upon that, the breast reduction surgery is planned for them. Also, skin accession taken into account. Now, whenever we try to reduce the size of anything, let's understand it this way. If a cloth is loose to you and you want it to be more fit to your body, how can you do it? Obviously, you will give it to the tailor to make it alter to fit your body. Similarly, when we talk about the breast, there is skin and there is a excessive glandular tissue and there is excess fat which needs to be reduced. So obviously when we reduce it, it leads to a scar. But the scar is such that it is hidden in the under boobs of the area and inside the bra so that it's not visible on the front look of the chest. The modern breast reduction techniques are done in a way that the minimal amount of glands are cut, most of the fat is removed and the nipple is not disconnected from the milk forming gland. So breast reduction surgery will stop your breastfeeding? No, that is wrong. However, in some patients, it can reduce the amount of breastfeeding, but they will still be able to feed. Modern breast reduction surgeries and practices, they give a very natural looking breast silhouette, so it doesn't look like artificial and it fits perfectly to your form and function. We also adjust the nipple to a correct shape so that they don't look pointing downwards or saggy. Instead, they look perkier and the cleavage is maintained. How long does a breast reduction surgery last? So it is also a daycare surgery where you come in the morning. It is done under general anesthesia, and after doing the takes typically around 2.5 hours to 3 hours to do a breast reduction surgery. After the surgery, we give you a surgical bra for the support because we have molded a breast into a new shape and it has to take its shape. The stitches which are put are absorbable. We don't need to cut them. After that, we give you a surgical bra and you can go home in the evening. After 2 days, we see you for any kind of suture line problems and everything is okay. We advise you that you can take bath and you can go on with your nominal routine work. If you are a person who is a homemaker, you can do more or less work at home except exertion work from after 2 to 3 days of your surgery. If you are a person who is a working woman, you can also resume the desk job after 2 to 3 days of surgery. Typically, the recovery after surgery is not too big, and I'll tell you my patients after the breast surgery how their smiles changed and their lives changed, and when I see them coming with the clothes they desire to wear, it just immensely gives me that profound gratitude and happiness, and what can I say, their lives changed. So if you want more questions to be answered and if you have some queries and you want them answered, kindly DM me. I will be happy to answer for them, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.